Welcome to Hyperspace. We're excited to announce our third crowdfunding campaign, the HyperCube Nano. This fusion of art and technology brings infinite luminous architecture to your home or entertainment space, now in a sleek, portable, affordable form. Infinity in the palm of your hand. The HyperCube Nano is a generator of boundless inspiration, a reflection of your infinite light, and your personal portal to another dimension. With a single button, its radiance cycles through 95 unique patterns in 3 modes: kaleidoscopic, meditative, and sound reactive. Equipped with advanced sound reactivity, the cube deconstructs the sonic waveform and maps the low, mid, and high tones to the patterns within. It is a multi-sensory electroluminescent symphony. Use the Hyperspace app to control the color, speed, symmetry, and more. The HyperCube is USB powered and scratch resistant, making it portable. And all Hyper devices can be synced to create art installations, event space mood lighting, and sound reactive hyper arrays.
We are 2 PhD engineers with a passion for light, inspired by kaleidoscopic landscapes and connected communities. After 2 successful crowdfunding campaigns and thousands of HyperCubes delivered, your confidence is well placed in us.
We have infinite thanks and endless appreciation to our backers and the crowdfunding community. Back our campaign now to bring the HyperCube Nano to this dimension and join us on our mission to spread infinite light throughout the multiverse.
Thank you, and see you in hyperspace.